Why do cats purr? It's not just because they're happy. The truth about purring is far more fascinating and even a bit mysterious. Cats often purr when they are relaxed and happy, like when you pet them. But they also purr to communicate with their owners or other cats. For example, a mother cat purrs to calm her kittens. Interestingly, cats may even purr when they're hungry or feeling anxious, using purring as a way to get attention or soothe themselves. One surprising reason cats purr is to help heal their bodies. The vibrations from purring fall within a frequency range that promotes tissue regeneration and reduces pain and swelling. Scientists believe this may explain why cats purr even when injured or sick. Purring acts like a natural therapy that helps cats recover faster. Beyond expressing happiness, cats purr to soothe themselves in stressful situations. When scared or in pain, purring releases endorphins, which act as natural painkillers and mood boosters. This self-soothing behavior helps cats stay calm during vet visits, thunderstorms, or other frightening moments. So next time your cat purrs, remember it's not just a sign of happiness. It's a powerful communication tool, a healing mechanism, and a stress reliever all rolled into one. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.